Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's dark because it's dark outside anyways. But welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Today is Friday. I can't remember the date, but it's Christmas weekend. So we're going to do a few things, guys. So come along with me. For now, we're just going to go down and eat breakfast. Guys, remember the snacks from my German snack video? Yeah. And then we have like crepe.
Kai aboki, kai na zama.
So let me just you guys on what I'm going to do today. First of all, let's pray in Jesus' name. I'm going to you remember when you guys remember when I went to change my screen for my phone. Now I'm going back there because like I can't show you guys obviously because I'm vlogging with my phone. Let me pause this. But like the side of my phone is open, and so I think it has to do with no, it has to do, but it's the reason why my battery has not been lasting for long. I've been literally charging my phone every 5 minutes now, and if I don't charge it, it will go off because the battery is not working anymore. So I'm going back there to tell them, see what you guys did. You guys better fix it. So let's see how that goes, and then I'm going for evangelism today. That's my two main programs. I'm off today, so I'm not working, thank God. And that's just it, guys. So right now I'm about to eat breakfast, like I told you guys, and watch Emily in Paris. And I'll catch you guys later. I ended up not even eating the German snack, but I'll eat it later, I guess. For now, before I go out, I have like some work to do, and then I'll go out.
Kai aboki, kai na zama.
Ouais, je vais mettre mon manteau en cuir là.
En cuir.
Oui.
Is it me that is not seeing the weather or?
On va beaucoup marcher, j'aurai chaud, c'est bon. J'ai pas besoin de mettre. Change of plan, guys. First of all, like I'm ready, as you guys saw. Just like I'll show you guys better when I go downstairs. But change of plan. I'm going out way earlier than I planned, because I have to do administrative stuff. So yeah. That means I had to cut what I was doing short with my laptop, and actually I don't know if I want to carry my laptop. I think I'll have time to work on it, but I don't want to carry a laptop. That's the thing, because I know I'll walk up and down, and I'm using the metro. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Basically, my black, 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 black.
Kaya.
So I was trying to like choose one time.
Et après,
I know what you are saying now. I'll work on it.
So I tried calling yesterday to know if I could come, but I think permission. My food now I'm not going to eat because I came here.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oui, je m'inquiète, c'est pour ça.
I bought a malt. That's all the pose. So guys, I just finished and it's not easy. Now I want to eat. We want to eat, but then we don't know where yet. So let's see. I'll catch you guys once we decided where to eat. Because yeah, I mean the process, the administrative stuff, I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's really noisy, but the administrative stuff I just did that stressed me out. So I just have to eat before. So guys, actually going back home because most of our plan got cancelled. First of all, I went to the shop where I need to fix my phone and it was closed, when online it's showing that it's open. And then secondly, killings happened today in France, so guys, make sure you stay safe out there. So the area where we wanted to buy stuff for our friend that you guys saw in the previous clip was closed, so I'm going home. And I'll catch you guys later today or tomorrow. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's why I mentioned the killings before I leave, guys, because even the evangelism got cancelled because of that. So yeah, once again, make sure you guys stay safe out there, honestly. Guys, we ended up at Lidl and these chocolates are so good, guys, and not expensive. You guys need to try them. They're at Lidl and they're so good. Yeah.
Kaya.
Hi guys, welcome back to my welcome back, but arrête.
It's the life of Christ.
So today is day 2 of my vlog and today is Saturday. And so like you guys saw, was just like prayer, breakfast, and then cleaning, and then now go back to work. Guys, I have this dress on that my friend got me for my birthday from Tunisia, and I really like it. Let me show you guys. From Morocco. Let me show you guys how it looks through the mirror. It's very long and very like something you can easily wear at home. And also today, me and my sister that is yawning now are going to like make pepper soup, which is a Nigerian dish for my non-Nigerian viewers. I'm going to make a pepper soup with my mom. So I'll catch you guys later. Now I just want to eat and show you guys the dress. So that's how it looks like. First of all, cut the fish because it's the fish pepper soup. Okay guys, so the pepper soup is done, and now we're wrapping gifts. You know, it's the season, so wrapping gifts. I have all this to wrap for neighbors and stuff. Yeah, basically.
20, 90.
Hi guys. Tu peux zoomer avec tes doigts, s'il te plaît?
Tu peux répondre à ton père. 90. Oui.
Oui. Ouais, l'inflation. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Today is Sunday, the 25th of December.
The day Jesus was born, according to the.
So, Merry Christmas, guys. For now, I'm just like waking up. Let me bring you guys closer. I'm busy. So yeah, like I said, I'm just waking up. I received new makeup products, like this ordinary.
There is God, oh, there is God.
This ordinary plant derived in his crown, like it's either hydrating. Whoa, it's a oil that hydrates.
Thank you. I just Thank you.
You guys get it. And then I got like this, which is like a eyebrow glue, you know, just to lift your brows. And then I got this because my mascara is like almost finished, so I got this. And then last thing I got is like a pencil that helps fill your eyebrows. I mean, what you guys know what a pencil is. So yeah, I'm just going to make up and I'm going to catch you guys when I'm at the last steps. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back. I'm done with my hair and makeup. So that's the final look, and I'll show you guys my outfit once I'm downstairs. By the way, if you've not seen like how the video about this week, go and watch it. It's in my channel, on my channel. Catch you guys downstairs. So guys, I just finished doing my hair, with my outfit, and this is the final look. So guys, I just got to church. Let me show you guys now my outfit, because I changed last minute, so I didn't have time to show you guys. In fact,
Sheesh. Where's your outfit from?
so this is from my sister, so I wouldn't know.
Okay.
This is from Shein. Stop the fast fashion. You know October? No, because. Voila, this is from my sister as well. So I don't know where it's from. And then my small shoes.
Thank God for having a twin.
Well, voila. So that's it, guys. I'll show you guys how the service goes. And then after this, we're going to eat to a Chinese restaurant. So I'll take you guys along. You guys might have seen this restaurant in the first vlogs. So I'll show you guys again. And then that will be the end of the vlog. Guys, if you like my makeup, don't forget to. Why are you looking at me? I'm not looking at you. This girl is looking at me. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at this point. Yeah. Catch you guys later. I have to set everything up here.
Le sapinel, là, il a vécu des choses.
Vas-y, Kim. Qu'est-ce que t'as dit? Tiens.
Et j'avoue, je sais que tu peux toujours avec famille.
T'as dit que t'aimais bien mes vidéos?
Oui.
Ouais, merci. So basically, guys, what she said is she likes my videos. Guys, just finished from church. Had to rush out because like I said, we're going to eat, and here we are at the restaurant. I'm excited to eat. Honestly, I'm hungry. I've been hungry since morning. So I'm excited, and the service was great. Let's start from there. The service was great. Last service of the year. Thank God. Look how big. See this one. The restaurant looks.
Kaya.
Vous prenez pas les boissons pour moi.
The restaurant is really good. The restaurant is really nice and really big, and the food is nice. Now I'm just waiting for not waiting for, but like I'll just take my desserts and that's it. And that's it. Anyway, look at me, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. I made it back home. Thanks to God, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's nothing else to show now. I'm going to sleep or nap. Yeah, you know, Sunday afternoon nap slaps. So I might nap. I might watch the series I've started yesterday, which is a Glass Onion on Netflix. We'll see. But guys, look at the. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.